Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost fruit, a rare and powerful item in the game. We'll cover the most effective methods, from purchasing it directly to finding it through exploration and special events. Getting this fruit can significantly boost your gameplay, offering unique abilities and a second chance in battles. Let's dive into the details and make your fruit hunting easier. One of the most straightforward ways to get the ghost fruit is by purchasing it from the block's fruit dealer. This dealer typically offers the ghost fruit for 940,000 in-game currency. If you prefer, you can also acquire it for 1,275 Robux. Remember, the dealer's inventory rotates, so consistent checking is key to catching it when it's in stock. Another exciting way to obtain the ghost fruit is by finding it in the game world. Fruits randomly spawn under trees on various islands. On weekdays, a new fruit appears approximately every 1 hour, while on weekends, this happens every 45 minutes. Be quick, though, as any uncollected fruit will despawn after just 20 minutes, so keep your eyes peeled. Beyond the main dealer and wild spawns, you have other options. The block's fruit dealer cousin, found in various locations, also sells fruits, with his stock updating every 4 hours. You can also join factory raids, which occur every 1 hour and 30 minutes, offering a chance at a random fruit. Lastly, trading with other players is a viable way to get your hands on the ghost fruit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.